Staycation. Now, repeat after me. Staycation. 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 Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, a staycation is a vacation where you stay at home or nearby rather than travelling to a distant destination. It's a way to relax and recharge without the hassle of long-distance travel. Think of it like this. Instead of flying to another country for your vacation, you might spend your days off enjoying local attractions or simply unwinding at home. That's a staycation. In a sentence, after a busy few months, we decided to take a staycation and explore the local parks. Here they chose to relax locally instead of travelling far away. Let's try another example. Staycations have become popular, especially for people looking to save money on travel. Synonyms, some related terms are home holiday, spending your vacation time at home instead of travelling. Local retreat, a break from routine without going far from home. Antonyms, the opposite of staycation would be vacation, a traditional trip to a distant destination. Travel getaway, a vacation that involves leaving your home city or country. Part of speech, staycation is a noun referring to a vacation spent at or near home. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.